This is about your final exam. So you guys have spent the semester reading different case studies that have been presented for you and in different scenarios, different topics, and questions then that are asked of you in regards to the case study. So your final exam in this class is to create your own case study. Pick something that's very interesting to you, a topic that we've covered. Obviously, some system has to involve the system of the bodies. But what you are going to do is you are going to create your own scenario based on factual information. You need to have at least one diagram on there. Make sure you are citing your sources. So you're going to have, in all of the case studies that you did, at the very end of the case studies is a list of all the sources. You need to include those. So at least one diagram. You need 20 questions for the student to answer as they work their way through your case study, including at least one question about the diagram. You need to have an answer key, and then you need to have your citations. The case study should be typed and contain proper grammar and spelling, obviously. This is worth 20% of your semester grade. Okay, design your own. Find some information. Do not find one on the internet. You will get a 0 if that's what you do, and then use that. Design your own. You should have enough information on a particular topic, or use a topic that you're familiar with. So many of you have shared personal experiences on the discussion board about things that affect different systems of the body. Use your own experiences to help you with this project. You can see the rubric that's going to be used to grade your final case study. So to get full credit for the scenario, it needs to be accurate. It needs to be written in a way that makes the reader want to solve the problem. It needs to contain the relevant diagram. For full credit on the questions, you need 20 relevant questions, including at least one about the diagram. You need a detailed answer key. Your citations need to be included, and then less than 2 grammatical errors, and having the paper typed. You can submit those on Blackboard or email them to me, however you would like to do it. They are going to look on Blackboard to determine when the final due date is for this particular topic. Have fun, be creative. I want you to enjoy this process, and in the past, there have been people who have used personal test results based on something that they've done. If you do that, you might want to just shoot me an email that you might want to keep the case studies private if you don't want me to share them. But a lot of times I will use the case studies that students have written for case studies to be looked at just as you did throughout the school year, because I'm always blown away at how well done they are. If you have any questions, email me, ask them before you get started. Obviously, I'm here to help you with that. Other than that, good luck and enjoy the process.